Farm life.
Cow.
Mother cows and their calves have a special bond. Look at that little cow, she's so adorable and sweet.
Pig.
Look at that baby pig, it's so snuggly. And listen to its cute little oinking sound.
Sheep.
Look at that little sheep, she's so cute and fluffy.
Chicken.
This cute little chicken is a real charmer with her fluffy feathers and gentle clucking.
Duck.
This little duck is just too adorable for words.
Turkey. Horse.
A foal is a young horse that is less than 1 year old. They are curious, playful, and energetic animals that love to run and explore their surroundings.
Rabbit.
Oh, look at that cute little fluffy bunny. It's so precious and lovable. I just want to snuggle it and give it a big hug.
Goat.
Have you ever seen a cute little goat? With their soft and furry coats, gentle eyes, and playful demeanor, they are simply adorable.
Geese.
Geese are a species of waterfowl. Geese are typically larger than ducks and have longer necks and legs.
Cat.